With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, this is the question. Let me explain it to you. The graph represents the titration curve of which of the following? So we are provided with a plot of pH value with respect to the volume of alkali that is added. So what exactly is happening? We have, let's say, taken an alkali in a container, okay? Or we can say acid we have taken in a container, and then from a burette we are continuously adding the alkali. Okay, and then what is happening? There is the constant neutralization of acid with the alkali that we are adding in the container, right? So at some point we are having the equivalence point. Equivalence point will be that point when all the H plus ions are completely neutralized by the OH ions. Okay. So we can say the state of the neutral solution basically. And if we observe this pH value, then the equivalence point in this case is falling below pH 7. Okay, so equivalence point is falling below pH 7. It means that the mixture that is present in the beaker is acidic in nature, or we can say the salts that we are getting is the acidic salt in nature, and that is only possible when we take a strong acid with a weak base. Okay, like strong acid, for example, I have taken HCl as the example, right? And if I take a weak base like NH4OH, then what will happen? The pH at the equivalence point will be falling somewhere below pH value 7. Okay, pH will be less than 7, and that is why it is happening here. So we can say that option number B, that is saying strong acid and a weak base, would be the correct answer. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.